welcome back. Today I am going to show you how to make a DIY origami jewelry box. Okay, so these are things which you would need. You would need 2 colored A4 sheets, scissors and glue. Okay, so let's start. So first you would need to measure this paper 15 into 15 centimeter and cut it out in that shape. So now take this paper, you will need to fold it like this. Open it. Again this side, fold it. Open it. Now from this corner till here, fold it. Similarly, all the corners you would need to do the same. Did all the corners like similarly. Now bring it like this and fold it. Even from this side, you would need to fold it. Now open it. It will be coming like this, right? Even from here, fold it. Turn it. Even here and fold it. Now open this. So now it's come like this, right? So open any 2 corners and fold this back inside. Even this. Now turn it and fold this inside. Even here. And then you will need to fold this also inside. So turn it, even here, fold it and then push it inside. Okay, so this is a box, it's ready. So I have taken a paper here, its length is 18.3 centimeter and the breadth is 6.5 centimeter. So now keep this and take your box. So turn it and here you will need to keep it. You will need to leave a little bit of space here. Then fold it. You could make a crease there. Again fold it and make a crease. So now fold it from the front also. Now turn it. So even here you would need to make a crease. Now take the paper out. You have got a perfect paper with all the correct measurements. Taken here 6 centimeter into 2 centimeter, a small paper. You would need to take this out and fold it in half. So open it. Using glue, you can stick it. And just stick it. You can allow this to dry. So this has dried. Keep this aside and bring the paper which we made crease. Now this side is the folded part. Okay. Keep it like this. Fold it inside. Then again in half fold it backwards. So now bring the small paper. Taking glue. You will need to apply glue here. And little here, and then keep this paper here and stick it. Allow this to dry. So now this is the side which we just now stuck. So this side there's a crease here, right? Just little bit below it you can make another crease. No exact measurements. Then take glue. Just on the corners, you can apply a bit of glue and then you can stick this here and allow this to dry. Just a small thing to note, you would need a bit of gap here to insert this. So don't stick it fully, just in the two corners it would be enough to stick. Now this has completed drying. Now bring it like this. So see, it's come very nicely, right? Now bring in your box, keep it inside and just check out if it's correct. So see, it should come like this. Now itself you can insert this small thing inside this. It should be correct. If it's too long, you can cut it a bit. Okay, so now let's start assembling this. So for that, take glue. Apply some glue here. And then stick this here. Then take glue and apply it here also. And then stick it here. Now you can allow this to dry. So the prepared box has completed drying. Now here also you will need to apply some glue and stick this here, and you can allow this also to dry. So while it is drying, we can prepare a small flower for decoration. For that you would require a circle paper. Fold it in half. Again. Then again you would need to fold it. So now take scissors and cut it out like a petal. Now let's open it. It's a big flower. Similarly, I have made 2 more flowers and I have kept a bead in middle of it. So you can stick this also. And you can allow this. So after this dries, we'll start assembling the box. So now bring in your flower and the box. So using glue, you can stick this here. Now you can allow this to dry. So now I'll just show you this. So here there's a pocket like thing, right? Into that you can insert this a bit. Like this, see? So that's it, your box is ready. You can put whatever you like inside this. I've made 1 more box similar to this. So you can try the same thing in any other size and measurements. So hope you guys like this video. If you did, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Jenny's Wonders. Watch you guys in the next video.